Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to change Amazon Prime Video country. To start this tutorial, open and locate your internet browser over at your mobile device. Once you're here in the search bar, you're going to look for Amazon Prime Video. Once you hit enter, there will be search results. And then you're going to click on the first result that says primevideo.com. Now tap on it. In here, you will need to log in over at primevideo.com. You can also switch to desktop mode so that you can see it better. Now, on the upper right, you will see a globe icon. In here, it will determine whatever your country or language is. Once you click on the drop-down, you can now choose from the different available options over at primevideo.com. Once you've found one, just tap on it, and then the website will automatically adjust to your very own selection. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.